Agile Career Forge presents the Forge Files. A release train engineer is not just someone who runs big Agile meetings. A successful RTE is the servant leader and Agile coach for the Agile Release Train. Their job is to help multiple Agile teams operate as one coordinated value delivery system. That means improving alignment, making dependencies visible, helping manage risks, facilitating PI planning, supporting ART sync, and improving flow across teams. In Scrum, they support alignment and inspection. In Kanban, they help visualize flow and bottlenecks. In Lean, they reduce waste, handoffs, delays, and unnecessary bureaucracy. A strong RTE does not just manage activity. They help the ART deliver integrated value. Book your free 15-minute Agile Career Forge discovery call. Click the link below to book your discovery call.